RPSSystemsLLC.com. Welcome to my channel. Just received, open it up from the customer, some power supplies here. Go. Computer power supplies that we specialize in repairing. So I'm going to take a look at them. I have 5 different types of power supply here. I do not know the state of them, but I'm going to check them out, power them up, and this is what model is this? I'm going to show this model. AT. So I had 5 different types of power supply. I guess 4 of them are the same. And let's see what we have here. This little device here I have for power supply tester is great. So once I get this on the bench, I'm gonna set them up, see what's going on, open them up, and see where we are with these power supplies. Again, getting busy. Got power supplies lined up there that I have to finish up. I have some of my personal power supplies that I need to finish for use them as test units. But yeah, so put this to the side and start going through them, testing them out, see where we are with them. Again, this is RPSystemsLLC.com, Randolph Parker, MS.